Law of cause and effect. So the law of cause and effect basically states that every single thing you do will literally affect everything around you for the rest of your life. And not just everything in your life, but potentially others' lives. So this is why we need to be thinking pure positive thoughts with pure positive energy every single second of every single day. So even me just saying this right now, I am saying this word that you are listening to, and this is causing something inside of you to either say, this guy is freaking crazy or nuts, or this guy is onto something and maybe I should try these things out. And that effect is going to then go into your life, and you are either going to start thinking that people are crazier in your life and start treating people with a sense of that you can't trust anyone, or you're going to start being more positive and notice through the law of attraction that more and more things are going to rapidly come into your life that will help you to reaffirm that the cause you are doing, right, with thinking these things and doing these actions are actually going to help you to basically have more things that reaffirm. Law of attraction is going to bring more good things. So anytime you do anything, even if you just think a thought right now, if you just sit down and think, I wonder what it's like to be in love. I can feel that. That's a thought. And you feeling that thought is then going to inspire you to do something with that thought. Maybe now I'm gonna go look on Tinder, or I'm gonna go out to my favorite bar and try to meet some people because, I just want to feel even more love and spread the love that I felt. So you are literally causing an effect from all of this.